My name's Susan Crichton, and this week I'm going to be talking to you about how to prepare a cash flow in 3 steps. How many times did you sit with your head in your hands worrying about cash flow? Lots of work, preparation, calculations, adjustments, and damn it, figures that just don't add up. It's very frustrating and can create headaches. You might find preparing cash flow statements one of the most challenging issues, but it's only a statement prepared on a cash basis. In other words, when you get the cash in and when you spend the cash. Maybe it looks complicated, but don't worry. I'm going to show you step by step how to complete one. But let's be clear, you still need a good method and resources to prepare a cash flow. Tomorrow, I'm going to be going through step 1, which is gathering the data. My name's Susan Crichton, company is SJC+0, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!